the two videos that I put up about Mutombo. The young lady in the video, I guess her name is Alicia, she came on my channel and made a comment about leaving her name out of things, and I'm trying to do the video to get her food. I answered her back and told her, you know, she is a damn worthless girl to come out and be talking all this stuff, enabling a killer who actually kill off your family member, and to make it look like he didn't do anything wrong and you're innocent and he is innocent. You are crazy. I tell her, listen, get your life together. You understand? That's what I told her. I told her, listen, she said she was gonna talk to the Prime Minister. I said, listen, the Prime Minister don't give a shit about you. You're gonna be the richest Prime Minister when he leaves office. Now, next thing you know, Jamaica Display, so I guess she went back to Jamaica Display News and told them or him, and they contacted YouTube, and YouTube put a copyright violation on the two videos. Now, I think I did the videos within fair use because I didn't just put the video up, I analyzed it and I break it down bit by bit. And I think that falls in the area of fair use. Now, I am going to appeal this decision, and I'm also going to speak to Jamaica News Display because it wasn't like that. But obviously, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that this young lady, after I told her off, because, I mean, she worthless. What you want me to do? Bomber Clad support you? Huh? I am not supporting those kind of things. You're a fuck wanted man, and the man a kill off people, and you're sitting here enabling it, acting like you did nothing wrong. All you give him was a little bit of food. This is the second man you have dead. Plus you married a German man. I mean, all of the information is out there. And then you want me to support you and believe your story. I am just giving my opinion. And I think you's worthless. You need to get your life together. You're still a young woman. These are the things I told her. You understand? And I guess she didn't like it and she reported me to the Jamaica Display. But like I said, I think it's fair use. And I'm going to appeal it and I'm going to speak to them. And if that, don't work, then I'm going to redo a video on it and give my opinion. She's a waste gal. Okay? With that said,